In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change your business name in Meta Business Suite. If you need to update the name of your business inside Meta Business Suite, this is a quick process, and I'll walk you through it clearly so you can make the change without confusion. Before you begin, make sure you're already signed in to the correct Meta Business account, since business settings can vary depending on which account you have open. Once you're inside Meta Business Suite, start by going to Settings. This is where Meta keeps the main controls for your business account, including account details, user permissions, and business information. If you're looking at the main dashboard, the settings option is typically found in the navigation area, and selecting it will take you to the more advanced business management section. After that, click on Business Info. This section contains the core details connected to your business account, such as the business name and other identifying information. If you've never edited this section before, it's a good idea to take a moment to confirm that you're viewing the correct business profile before making any updates. Next, click on Edit. This will allow you to change the current business information instead of just viewing it. Once the editing mode opens, you should see the field where the existing business name is displayed. Now, type in your business name exactly as you want it to appear. Be careful with spelling, capitalization, and spacing, since this is the name that will represent your business within Meta's system. It's best to enter the official version of your business name so your account stays consistent with your branding and records. If your organization uses a specific naming format, double check it before moving on. When the new name is entered, click on Save. This confirms the update and applies the change to your business information. After saving, give the page a moment to refresh so you can verify that the new name appears correctly. And that's it. That's how you change your business name in Meta Business Suite. If the change doesn't appear right away, try refreshing the page or checking again after a short wait, since some updates may take a moment to display. It's also a smart idea to review the updated name once more to make sure everything was saved exactly as intended. Thanks for watching, and now you know how to update your business name in Meta Business Suite quickly and correctly.